In this question, you have to point out the organization in India which is responsible for assessing the safety of introducing genetically modified organisms for public use. Option A, Indian Council of Medical Research, that is ICMR. It is incorrect because this organization is mainly responsible for the formulation, coordination, and promotion of biomedical research in India. Option B, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, that is CSIR. It is also incorrect because CSIR focuses on a wide variety of scientific research, industrial applications, but it is not directly responsible or concerned with the safety assessment or approval of genetically modified organisms. Option C, Genetic Engineering Appraisal Committee. Now, GEAC, which functions under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, is the regulatory body in India which is responsible for assessing and approving the environmental and public safety of genetically modified organisms, that is GMOs, before their introduction. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D, Research Committee on Genetic Manipulation, that is RCGM. It is also incorrect because RCGM, which is under the Department of Biotechnology, it oversees research and development related to genetic engineering. But it is not the final approval committee for the public use of GMOs.